Hey there, I'm from Scott's Moto Adventures. Just can't hear that I'm at a bike show. Maybe you can see behind me what's going on. But this is the outside of it. This is the ride-in portion. Got a lot of BMWs, Triumphs, KTMs, other stuff. Just walking around right now. I'm actually going to go across the street to the other parking lot. There's some bikes over there I want to take a look at. Trying out the Action 4, seeing how that looks with backlighting, side lighting. Some other stuff here too. So take a look here. Lotus Lease. Pretty fun little car. Not much to it though. Tiny. Right-hand drive, so it was imported. Well, they're all imported, but it's actual right-hand drive car. I feel like I'm a little blown out. I'm not sure yet. But you got some other RSs, some touring bikes. I wanted to walk over here. This is actually a really nice airhead here. And then I wanted to look at this, if this was like a GS or something similar. Not sure if it is a GS or not, but it looks really cool. It's got Barney all on it. Purple dinosaur. Makes sense. More BMWs, more BMWs. So at some time I'm going to go inside and I've already been inside once, but I'll go inside and film in there. Check it out. Okay, now we got Yamahas. We got some like high horsepower 80s bikes. Kawasaki there. It looks great. Racing style Ducati. Some race bikes or something similar, full fared bikes. But here's a bike that I really like, because I had one, but a little newer. The Ninja 500. This was my second bike, basically. Except mine was, let's see here, mine was a little newer. Did not have this gauge cluster. It had the more modern style, like the 600 there. But it was always a fun bike. Part of the reason why I have a concourse in my garage is because I wanted the grown-up version of it. But yeah, fun little bike. It does have the lower fairing, which not all of them did. And we got some VMAX. Another VMAX for the day. ZRX 1100. I like this bike more than that one. Has a little bit more styling to it, including a nice little duck there. So yeah, good show, good turnout. BMW clubs down here. I know Walton PA was down here. Trekkie Moto was down here. I got other friends coming down. So it's been a great show so far. We got, and then we're in trail territory here. Some new, some old. Rumor has it my dad jumped one of these. I'm a little disappointed. I like the Honda CB 900 1100C. None of those here. But I think there's something that makes up for it. CBX. 6 cylinders. You couldn't sell these back in the day, and now they're on they are unobtainium. Good luck finding one. I mean, early 90s you could get it for next to nothing. Now everybody wants one. One of my favorite movies is a movie called Knight Riders. The one guy in that movie rides this, and what they did to it at the end, I might post it, I might not, just because I don't want to spoil it, but I might post it. You can't believe that they did this to a CBX. It was just so heartbreaking now that we know how hard it is to get these. And then for the Goldwing people, we got a nice Honda Goldwing. 1975, so it's one of the earlier ones. Fuel tank's down here. Storage is up here. And I like it. It has a fuel tank. Has a fuel gauge. One bike with a hot. Then you got a Honda Interceptor here, V4. Have fun tuning that. But really nice. Everything here is really nice. Another Interceptor up there. Honda race bike. Speaking of race bikes, fully fair Norton. I just gotta walk around this one. This is just really impressive. That's interesting. The fairing even goes down into there. That's something I wasn't expecting. I was expecting just a fuel tank, but the fuel tank looks like it has a lip to it. Interesting though. Single disc brake on that front wheel. That's interesting. MV Agustas. Plenty of dirt bikes. Never heard of a Krauser. Got airhead land. Three really nice airheads, and then we got turbos. Turbo Honda, Turbo Suzuki, Turbo Yamaha, Turbo Honda, another Yamaha. Got some Italian bikes over here like Ducati, Moto Morini. I didn't notice this one had the fairing on it. Moto Morini's back, but not like this. You got a Benelli, MV Agusta. Through here. And we got some Kawasaki's here. Everything from stock to custom. What is this? Oh, I've never heard of that company. It was a great day today at the Martin Moto Classic Motorcycles Show. I had a lot of fun with the BMW MOA Club, the Lehigh Valley Beamers, Walton PA, Trekking Moto, and some other friends. If you like this kind of content, feel free to like and subscribe. This is stuff I do normally by going to museums, bike shows, car shows. I think I do have a museum coming up in the next week or two with a very small bike show. So if you do like that content, please keep an eye out for that. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.